In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Goodnotes notebook into a Notion page. We'll be doing this in two parts. First, you'll grab a shareable link from Goodnotes on the web, and then you'll place that link inside Notion using the embed feature. This is a simple way to view your notes directly inside a workspace without constantly switching between tabs. Start by opening your browser and going to Goodnotes for web. Once you're there, log into your Goodnotes account and head to your document library. Find the notebook you want to display in Notion. Next to the notebook title, click the three-dot menu or the share icon, depending on what appears in your view. When the sharing options open, turn Share Link on. After that, make sure Preview on Web is also turned on. This part is important because it allows the notebook to display properly when embedded. Once both of those settings are enabled, click Copy Link. That saves the notebook link to your clipboard so it's ready to use in the next step. Now open a new browser tab and log into Notion. Go to the page where you want the notebook to appear. Click on an empty line in the page exactly where you want the embedded notes to be placed. Type /embed and press Enter. Notion will open an input field for the link. Paste the Goodnotes URL you copied a moment ago, then click the Embed Link button. After a moment, your notebook should appear directly on the page. To finish, resize the embed window by dragging its edges until it fits neatly into your layout. If you want a cleaner look, take a moment to adjust the size so the notebook is easy to read and works well with the rest of your page content. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Goodnotes notebook into Notion.